Hey everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little Penlight, and it's a dual light source. So got light coming out of two different areas. And I'll show you what we got here. Let's see. It's gonna be rechargeable through USB to USB-C. That is nice. And it's just super cute and small. Look at this. So this is the size of it. It's gonna have a light source there, a light source there. So, and we charge it right here on the side. So right there. So very cool. And the button to turn it on is gonna be here. So there's, all right, wow, that is bright. I don't know if you guys can see. If I shine it here, you can even see it's lighting up there. And I have studio lights on and the light, and it's daylight out. So this is really a bright light. So I'm just gonna shine it on my face with my eyes closed because I can even see the light through it. So super bright. Okay, so there's that light. And then, so I think if I push it twice, then we get that light, which is bright, not quite as bright, but it's more of a broad light. That is awesome. This would be great for like under the hood or something like that if you just need to be able to see it nice and quick. So push that again to turn it off. And then what we've got, some cool features of this one here. I saw it has this little clip here, which is a magnet. Do I have anything metal here? I have a knife. So if I go, I think that should be metal. Look at that, it'll magnetize on there. So I can magnetize it onto under the hood or something like that to have it hold on. So that is really cool. So great to have a little Penlight, and it's nice and light. And I love the way these LED lights, everything works off of them great. So push once for that one, push twice for that one. Third time, wait, one. Oh, makes it even brighter on this light here. So the third one makes it brighter. So this is a great little light and a rechargeable, so super cool, super convenient. Totally have something like this around and you are good. Everyone should have emergency lights. So totally awesome. This is it box here, very cool. So thumbs up.